If you feel lazy, unfocused, or weak, it's not because you're broken. It's because modern habits are silently killing your masculinity. Your brain's reward system was designed for survival, not TikTok. Every scroll spikes your dopamine and empties your motivation. Men who sleep less than 6 hours a night lose 15% of their testosterone in just 1 week. Sleep isn't weakness, it's hormone maintenance. Every notification trains you to react, not to think. Masculinity dies where dopamine rules. Comfort is the new cage. Men grow through controlled stress, cold showers, lifting, discipline. We evolved to be in tribes. Without brotherhood, your mind collapses into passivity. Masculinity isn't aggression, it's mastery of your mind, your body, and your habits. Subscribe to AlphaTech Mind and upgrade your life scientifically.